In every city and small town across Ohio, realtors are doing more than listing homes. We're advocating for opportunity. We are the first to see the power of a cross-border buyer, the promise of a global partnership, the ripple effect of international investment. We've seen how a Japanese company choosing Ohio means dozens of homes sold, new schools supported, and small businesses buzzing. We've seen how a realtor who understands cultural nuance can help a family feel welcome and turn their home purchase into a lifelong community connection. The National Association of Realtors reminds us that global business is no longer optional, it's essential. And Ohio Realtors are ready through global certification programs, bilateral relationships, and involvement with economic development partners like Jobs Ohio. We are showing up, not just as agents of property, but as ambassadors for our communities. Our advocacy is built on more than transactions. It's built on trust. And as the world gets smaller, our role gets bigger. Let's continue being the voice that says, yes, global opportunity starts right here at home.